GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment air cleaner temperature sensor reports the temperature of the air entering the engine, and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. The signal is used by the engine control module to adjust fuel delivery and ignition timing. This original equipment air cleaner temperature sensor has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Good product, fast shipping. Fast shipping and works well. The engine code is gone. My 95 Cadillac runs better, thank you. No one had this part. I had to wait 4 days from any other vendor. Not this one. 24 hours is all it took.